Hi, this is Patti again, and we're going to do another tips and tricks video for you to add to your collection. And this is a wig that I've done specifically to show you today what can be done and what I have done. This is a Julianne hand-tied Jon Renau mono top, smart lace. It's got all the bells and whistles, and I love it. This one I cut short because I have no neck anyway, you know that. I cut it short to my chin. I thinned it, and then I cut some dirty bangs, like I've got a video to show you how to do that. And then what I did was just back, top brushed it, walked the wig a little bit, just to make it real full. And what happened, of course, is that the curl pattern from the Julianne on the bangs made them look like this. And that isn't what I want. I want that sexy, dirty bang that kind of goes, and you have to kind of walk with your hands. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to do that. There's one way to do it, and it will last forever, and that is steaming the wig. But for this, I wanted to show you this tool specifically. It's Conair. No, this is Revlon. Revlon, and it has two brushes. This is a smaller one, and then there's a great big one if you want to do a big page or something. I'm using the smaller one for the bangs, and what I'm trying to do today is to make these bangs look like straight little sexy dirty bangs. The Revlon wand dryer goes to high, low, which is what you're going to use. You're going to use the low all the time, and then cool. And then it goes to cool. Let me get to cool. That's cool. That's off. Now, what we're going to do first is take a little bit of water, get into your bathroom, look in your mirror. Take a little bit of water and go whoop, 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 whoop. I'm not soaking them. I'm just dampening them a little bit. Remember when we used to iron and we'd spritz and damp it and roll up the shirts? Oh dear gosh, I'm glad that's over. Where are my little clips? Now, I'm going to take a clip over on this side and clip this back. Make sure I get all I want there. And then I'm going to take a clip, I'm going to put it on this side and get all that little bang that I want. See right here? And I don't want that. I want it do, as you know. So, we've got them damp. Now, I'm going to put this on. See how I'm going in the very front? And I'm just going to put it on low. If you hear it high, that's too high. Go down. You can tell it's on low. Now, I'm curving and then pulling down. Pulling down. Pulling down. Get this in here. Look in the mirror and get it straight. Curving. Pull it down. Pull it down. Curving this side. Pull it down. Pull it down. Now turn it off and let's see what we've got. Pull it up. Wow, we're getting there, aren't we? So now you have your bang that goes around like that, the dirty bang in the front, but because you did that roller, sweetie, and when you do the roller, you go like this, you get it curved, and see I'm kind of getting a curl, a curve in it, but watch this. This is the key. Then at the very end, I go 1, 2, 3. Then at the very end, I pull it down, even brushing the brush on my nose. That's how I get that kink out of the bang, and it doesn't go whoop, whoop, whoop. You'll see that. Girls will try it. They'll put a roller in, and they'll pick the roller, and they take the roller out, and the bang goes whoop. You don't want that. You want a little poof here, because we don't want a flat head. but then we want it straight here. I'm going to do that one more time for you so you can see it, but I won't turn the thing on so you can hear. See, I've got it all, it's all kind of straight, and I'm going up to the top. See, like that, and then I'm pulling down, and I actually brush my nose. If you actually brush your nose, you'll get it. Now let me show you what we got. Okay, let's take these out. Now, touch him, touch him, touch him. Have a great day. Bye.